Hello guys, how are you? Hope you guys are fine. Sorry I rarely upload videos. Okay, now I will show you how to make a bonsai tree for aquascape. First step, installing stones. I connected the stone using cyanoacrylate glue. In order for the stone to stick firmly, I add fine powder between the stones. After being given powder, then I drip enough glue. Okay guys, now I'm going to start installing wood. The wood that I use is Sangani wood. The scientific name of this wood is Melastoma candidum. I will give fine powder on the sidelines of the wood so that the wood sticks stronger. I'm going to combine some pieces of wood so it can form like a tree. Every connection, I usually always give fine powder so that it can strengthen the glue. Look guys, the reaction of glue and fine powders creates smoke. Please be careful. Okay, I'll put up the pads for the moss. This moss mat is made of rubber combined with PVC. If you don't have one, you can replace it with another material. Okay, I'll add a new branch here to make it look nicer. Okay guys, now I will combine it with small wood so that it complements each other. I added another new branch so that the main branch is getting better. Now I'm going to add a little log at the bottom of the tree to make it look more special and make the bonsai tree look more ideal. Okay, next step, installing hanging root effect. I use small wood. The ends of the wood are made pointy. Previously, I gave this wood glue behind the camera, so it can be directly attached to the main branch. Later, after all the hanging roots are installed, behind the camera, I'll strengthen it again by adding additional glue. Sorry guys, the video is a little bit cut off. I lost the file, so the above process can't be shown. But I will show a little snippet of the process. There is a brief backup file. Okay guys, this project has been completed. Let's move on to the final results review. Okay guys, here are the results. This bonsai has a length of 21 centimeters, width 11 centimeters, and height 22 centimeters, and weighs about 1,600 grams. Okay guys, that's all I can say. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Hopefully this video can be useful for you. Don't forget to support my channel by way of comments, like, subscribe, and share if this video is useful. Thanks for watching. You guys are amazing.